Hi, my name is Ellen Brooks. I teach the upper level art courses at Villa Joseph Marie High School. I'm here today as Villa's Fine Arts Department Chair to discuss our fine arts program, our requirements and curriculum, and wide array of courses that we offer in the fine arts. As far as meeting requirements for curriculum, there is only one requirement for the fine arts that is met usually in freshman year. The girls have the option to take freshman art. They can take a chorus, freshman chorus, or they can take an instrumental music. That meets the only requirement that they have for their 4 years, and from there, all course offerings are elective in the fine arts. For course offerings at the upper levels, I'll start with chorus. Chorus is offered for students freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior year. The girls are also able to take individual singing lessons. And that's our offerings for chorus in the curriculum area. In music, instrumental music, we have band, we have individual instrument lessons, and we have music theory. We also offer AP music theory for the girls, both vocally and for instrumental music. In the area of theater, we have a drama class that can be taken at any level. And we also have theater practicum, and we have 2 levels of theater practicum. We have 1 level of drama. In the area of visual art, we start with basic art as the first elective level. We have from there drawing and painting 1. We have drawing and painting 2. We have 2-dimensional design and commercial art. We have drawing and painting 2. And we have advanced studio art, which is an honors level course. And we also offer advanced placement art class. Girls, I always say if you are interested in any of the arts, we don't expect you to know how to do anything. When you come in, that's what we're here for. We will teach you. We just ask for your interest or your love of the arts, and we will take care of the rest.